Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today we'll be testing out the vocal enhancement feature of Vivo V27. For this test, I'm taking the Vivo X and the Vivo V27 front cam. I'm taking the video in both the devices. So Vivo V27 has a vocal enhancement feature, whereas Vivo Next doesn't have any of this. So we'll be recording this audio with the fans on, so you can see the noise will be pretty high. So we'll check two things. One, how good is the voice isolation, that is noise isolation in the device, plus how natural my audio sound, because both of this matter, right? So there's no point in having a robotic voice by reducing the noise. So let's see, let's compare it. So I hope you guys have seen the comparison video. So if you ask me my opinion, I would say Vivo Nex had a very natural voice, even though it had some noise in the background. It didn't cut that much because it's an old device, so it doesn't have that features. But for me, if you ask me about the voice part, I would prefer the audio Vivo Nex because it sounded more natural compared to a bit more, processed or robotic voice of Vivo V27 after the noise reduction. Okay, it's what you get after heavy processing of the audio. It should be done in real time, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, and also if you check the video quality, there is no comparison because V27 has a 4K 30 fps support with 50 MP camera, so the video quality is much better in Vivo V27. And right now I'm recording this video using Vivo V27 front cam in 4K mode by turning off the fan and offing all the enhancement features, because I don't want my sound to again sound robotic. I don't want my audio to again sound robotic. So I hope you got an idea about the audio enhancement feature of Vivo V27 by comparing with another device. So yeah, that's it guys. So let's see you in my next video. Bye.